Hey, Thanksgiving is almost here, so I'm gonna show you one of my favorite recipes. It's my escalloped corn casserole. Let's get started.
You will need 4 eggs beaten, 1 can of corn, whole kernel undrained, 1 can of cream-style corn, a cup of shredded cheese, 3/4 cup of oil, and a box of Jiffy corn muffin mix dry.
All right, so now I have all my ingredients. I'm going to crack 4 eggs. Ooh, and I got a shell in there. All right, so I have my 4 eggs in my little mixing bowl. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna beat them really quick. I love this recipe. It's so fast and simple. I don't know about you guys, but I like to host Thanksgiving every year, and one of the problems with hosting a ton of people is that you have to make a ton of recipes, and I don't have time to do all that anymore. So, you're gonna put in your cheese, your oil, your cream corn, and your whole kernel corn. And then you're gonna mix it. I want you to see this really quick. I don't know if you can see it. We missed that. Once you have all the ingredients in your bowl, you're gonna need to whisk it together. Then you're gonna pour in your Jiffy corn muffin mix. Now that I have my Jiffy corn muffin mix in the bowl, you're gonna fold that in or stir it, whatever. All right, I think I've gotten rid of all the little lumps. Now I'm going to pour it into my greased 9 by 13 glass pan, and then we're gonna throw it in the oven. All right, now that we have it in our greased dish, we're gonna put it in the oven at 325 for about 40 to 45 minutes. Wow, I almost lost it right there. All right, so my casserole's been cooking for about 45 minutes at 325. I think it's ready to come out. Let's check it out. That looks perfect. And voila.